Good morning everyone, big day today. I'm going to pick up my new bike, but this time it's not a handover at the dealership. Today we are going to unbox it straight out of the crate. So I'm quite curious to see if someone guesses what's my new bike. So write it down in the comments. I made it, I'm there. And there on the other side of the street you can see Moto Fun Sports. It's in Falkensee in Berlin. So it will be quite interesting what kind of bike I'm getting in a motorcycle shop that's selling quad bikes. Okay, so here we are now. We are starting the unboxing. Behind me, this is Ronnie, who's just hiding behind the box. Everything made out of metal, no wooden cage, so very solid. So here it is. This is the new bike for the next season. I hope you can guess slowly what it is. Any idea? So energy is there, battery is inside. Now we get a little bit of petrol. Let's check the oil. Looks perfect. Okay. Ready for the first start. Listen to this sound. Sounds great. Thank you very much. Genau. Perfect. Okay friends, so here it is, my new motorcycle for the next season, the CFMOTO 450 MT or Ibex 450. In the next video I will do a walk around and tell you all the technical specs about the bike, all the details. This bike will be completely modified. It will be a touring bike afterwards, some color modifications. You will see I have a lot of ideas in my mind. And if you like the video today, then give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next week. Ride carefully, take care and cheers.